Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times design team project. And today I am focusing on her 3x3 hard card die. And what I used the most were the layers. I did not use the card base. Then I decided to pull out this set, which is the butterfly stamp and dies. And I am using Sending Happy Thoughts Your Way along with the dies. And I made my own background paper with this stamp here. Eyelet Doily die, I'm using the smallest one. And then the birdhouse stamp and dies, I'm just using the birds. Small flower dies, I use several flowers from here and most of the items, if not all of the foliage from here. And I use her tall frame dies along with the layers to make my slimline card. And here goes the ink or the oxide ink that I'm using, which is Salvage Patina's Kitsch Flamingo, and I just mixed the colors together and it gave it a blue hue. And here's this adorable card. Love how it turned out, along with those flowers and the foliage dies. Just kind of layered them up. That was kind of pleasing to the eye there. I might also add some gems on the card. Not sure if I will, but you'll see it in the picture if I do. I did add gems to the bird eyes, so hopefully you can see that. It has a little bit of a sparkle. Used a little bit of gel pen on there, and just really love how this turned out. It created such a pretty card to use all of those layers out of that 3x3 card. Really pretty. I did finish off the inside of the card as well. I didn't think I could have added layers in the inside as well, but I didn't think about that till just now. But love how it turned out. Make sure you use the links down below to my Creative Times store, as well as the Design Team Sisters. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE, and you can get 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends. So that's about it. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.